In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends to refresh old content fast and easy. Let's dive right in. You want your content to remain fresh and engaging, and Google Trends is a fantastic tool to help you do just that. So, let's go through the steps together. First, you'll want to get started by opening your internet browser and heading over to Google. Simply type in Google Trends and hit search. Once the search results load, you should see the Google Trends link at the top. Click on it, and you're set for the next step. Google Trends is a free tool that lets you explore the popularity of search terms over time, which is crucial for keeping your content in tune with what's currently trending. Now that you've landed on the Google Trends homepage, it's time for the next move, which is to type in the topic or main keyword of your existing content. So, if your article is about healthy smoothie recipes, you'll go ahead and enter that into the search bar. This will allow you to hone in on how the interest in this topic has changed over time. After entering your topic, be sure to hit the Enter key. This will bring up Google's data on your keyword or topic. And now you can apply some filters to make the information more relevant for your needs. Consider narrowing down the location to target the region your audience is in. Adjust the time range to the past 12 months, which helps you gauge the most current interest trends. You can also pick a category that closely aligns with your industry or niche. And lastly, choose a search type like web search, YouTube, or shopping, depending on what fits your content format best. These filters will help ensure that you are getting the most relevant insights for your content refresh. With your filters set, take a look at the interest over time graph that appears on your screen. This graph can reveal a lot about your content's potential. Spikes in interest can signal opportunities to create updates around emerging subtopics, while a decline might indicate it's time to introduce fresh angles, new keywords, or even spruced up visuals to recapture interest. Next, you'll want to scroll down to the Related Queries section. Here, you'll find insights into what other queries are rising in popularity that relate to your topic. For example, if you originally wrote about healthy smoothie recipes, rising queries could include things like smoothies for weight loss 2025 or keto smoothie recipes. These can be great areas to update your content or expand upon with new content. Scrolling further, you'll find the Related Topics section. This is a goldmine for finding broader or associated topics that can help you expand your existing content. Examples might include topics like protein smoothies or detox drinks, offering fresh angles for your updates. Finally, once you've gathered all this valuable data, you can download it by clicking the download icon that looks like an arrow. Export this information to a CSV file and organize the data in a spreadsheet. Keep track of your old content URLs, original keywords, rising queries, and related topics. Make note of trends and plan your content updates accordingly, and there you have it. By using Google Trends, you're now equipped to keep your content fresh, engaging, and aligned with current search trends, which should help boost your SEO and engagement. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide useful.